Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class. History, Unit 1 Advent of the Europeans. In previous class, we learned about sources of modern India and kinds of sources. There are two kinds of sources. They are written sources and material sources. Today, we are going to discuss about advent of the European. In that, what is the distance between the continent of Europe and the continent of Asia? Next question, who discovered the sea routes to India from Europe? Which country does he belongs to? Third question, what is the first and foremost reason for the arrival of Europeans to India? And fourth, which were the European countries who arrived to India and made us a slave to them? And then, how does the Europeans came to know about the immense wealth of India? Let us watch this video to know about the answers for all these questions. The earth we live has 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. The countries which are in the continents of Europe are called as European countries. The people who are living in these countries are called as Europeans. The countries which are in the continents of Europe are called as European countries. The people who are living in these countries are called as Europeans. And then, why did the Europeans came to India? Do you know? How did the Europeans got the interest to visit our country? It is because of the Venetian traveler Marco Polo. He traveled across the world to many countries in the eastern direction starting from the Europe. He wrote an account of everything, whatever he came across during his travel. He even came to India. In his travel account, he had mentioned about the administration of a kings, the wealth and natural resources of a country. Many people of the European countries got interested to read the book of Marco Polo, which created a eagerness to visit India. Among the entire European nations, Portuguese was the foremost to make the dynamic attempt to discover a sea route to India. Who discovered sea route? Do you know? Yes, Vasco da Gama. He is a Portuguese sailor, reached Calicut in 1498. Among the European countries, the Portuguese were the most notable person who came to India following them. Dutch of Netherlands, Britishers of England, Danish of Denmark, French of France were the countries who came to India. They all reached India to have a great relationship with India. Later, step by step, they captured few territories of a country and brought them under their control. So, my dear children, it is really astonishing. What is meant by astonishing? Which means surprising greatly to know how the travel account had brought a drastic change in the history. Okay, my dear children, shall we recall now? Yes, there are 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. The countries which are in the continents of Europe are called as European countries. The people who are living in these countries are called as Europeans. And who discovered sea route to India? Yes, Vasco da Gama. When did he reach Calicut? He reached Calicut in 1498. Vasco da Gama is a Portuguese sailor. Thank you, students.